YouTube, it's your boy 360 Joshy, and today guys what we're going to be doing a review on is the Teflon Whip Moisturizer 2.0. Today guys we're going to be doing a review on this product. I'm proud to announce that I'm an ambassador of Teflon products, and like I said in my last video, I'm a promoter of Smooth Styles 360 products. I'm a promoter for Smooth Styles and I'm an ambassador for Teflon, and I really appreciate Tsunami Timo for allowing me to be a part of his brand, his company. It's a real blessing, true honor to be able to be a part of his company, and I'm gonna give him a big shout out. His Instagram is right here if you want to go follow him on Instagram and to purchase these products right here. These products, I'm gonna put that in the description below. This is the Teflon Whip Moisturizer 2.0. You can also go to their Teflon's Instagram. Their Instagram is right here. You can go follow them, go check out the products. I'm about to give you my honest opinion on these products. I'm gonna do a review on the whip. I'm gonna do a review on the jelly tomorrow, and we're just gonna get right into the video. I'm gonna unrag, show y'all what I'm working with. My hair might be a little dry because I haven't put nothing in my head all day, so I'm gonna just unrag and let me show you what I'm working with.
Nice and silky smooth.
Well guys, you see what I'm working with, but before we start, I'm not really liking this outfit. That's more like it. But alright guys, let's get into the video. I'm gonna go do the hot towel method and I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, the hot towel method for a good minute. Let it sit. Now let's put this bad boy in my head. And another thing I forgot to mention, when you buy these products, there's a discount code. You can use my discount code 360 Joshy. That's 360 JOSHY. The J in my Joshy is all lowercase, and obviously the 360 you put that all in lowercase all together, and you're gonna get a discount on these products. So you won't have to pay as much. You get a cheaper discount. Why not use my code and get a discount on these bad boys? So let's put it on, put it in my head, and let's see what it does. have to admit, this is one good product. I may have to give it a 10. A 10. Because my hair is super soft and moist. Very soft and moist. It's a real good product. I don't know what else I could say. I mean, what else? Ooh. Anyways, guys, to get these products, once again, you go to www.teflonqp.com. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. I'll put it right here. It should be bam, right there. So it's gonna be right here, guys. And if you want to go follow the company, this is their Instagram right here, plus the CEO, the maker of this product, Tsunami Timo. This is a very great product. His Instagram is right here to go follow him. Please go check him out. His YouTube channel is Tsunami Timo. Also, he's a real good waver. One of the best straight hair wavers in the game, in my opinion. He really is the best straight hair waver in the game. So make sure y'all go check him out. Big shout out to him. Thanking him for allowing me to be a part of his brand, his company. It's a real great honor and blessing, like I said earlier, and I really appreciate it. Peace, thank you, God bless, and remember, only you can prevent naps.